Welcome to TechLeapR channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert stock images on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After open the Excel, just open up any blank document. Now from here click on Insert tab. Now here under the illustrations option you can find pictures, then just click here and then choose any option, place in cell or place over the cell. If I select place in cell, and that's it. Here you can see stock images option, then just click here. Now here you can find some categories: pattern, scenery, red, reflection, paper, and you can choose any category as you like. Suppose if you want to insert this stock images, just select it and then click on insert, and that's it. You can see on the cell the stock images has been inserted successfully. If I click here, and now you can see it's placed over the cell, and that is how you can insert stock images on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.